How can I reduce facial hair naturally and achieve smooth, flawless skin? Many individuals, especially women, often find themselves seeking ways to reduce or remove unwanted facial hair. While there are numerous options available for hair removal, ranging from expensive treatments like laser hair removal to temporary solutions like shaving or waxing, natural remedies offer a more gentle approach with the added benefit of being cost-effective and easily accessible. Over time, some of these natural treatments can help reduce the appearance of facial hair and even inhibit its regrowth. Among the most popular home remedies are sugar and lemon scrubs, turmeric and milk paste, drinking spearmint tea, using aloe vera, and applying papaya paste. These remedies have been used for centuries in various cultures for their beauty and skincare benefits. One of the most well-known natural treatments for facial hair removal is the sugar and lemon scrub. This simple yet effective remedy combines the exfoliating power of sugar with the natural bleaching properties of lemon to gradually remove hair while leaving the skin smoother and brighter. Sugar acts as an abrasive exfoliant, sloughing off dead skin cells and making the hair more easily detachable, while lemon helps lighten the hair over time, making it less noticeable. To use this scrub, you need to mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add a little water if the mixture is too thick to work with. Once you have your paste ready, apply it to the areas of your face where unwanted hair is visible. Gently massage the paste into your skin in circular motions, which will help in the exfoliation process. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, allowing the sugar to work its magic. Afterward, wash your face with lukewarm water, gently rubbing off the scrub. The combination of sugar and lemon helps not only with hair removal, but also provides the added benefit of improving skin texture, giving your face a glowing, fresh appearance. Consistent use of this scrub over time will gradually diminish the appearance of unwanted facial hair. Another powerful remedy for reducing facial hair is turmeric and milk paste. Turmeric has long been known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a popular ingredient in many traditional beauty treatments. When combined with milk, turmeric can help slow down hair growth and make the hair finer over time. This paste is often used as a gentle exfoliating mask that can be applied to the face and left to sit for a while before being washed off. To prepare the paste, you need to mix a small amount of turmeric powder with a little milk, enough to create a thick, spreadable consistency. After mixing it well, apply the paste to the areas of your face where facial hair is visible. Let the paste sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. As it dries, you may feel the mask tightening on your skin, which is normal. Once the time has passed, gently scrub it off with warm water. The action of scrubbing will also help to remove fine facial hair, and with repeated use, you may notice that the hair grows back less thickly. Not only does this remedy help with hair reduction, but it also provides the skin with nourishing properties, giving it a healthy, radiant glow. As with all natural remedies, patience is key, and consistent application is necessary to achieve the best results. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Another effective natural method that has garnered attention in recent years is the use of spearmint tea. While most people associate mint with its refreshing taste and cooling properties, spearmint tea has been found to have beneficial effects on hormonal balance, especially for women dealing with excess facial hair growth due to hormonal imbalances like polycystic ovary syndrome. The herb contains natural compounds that help lower androgen levels, the hormones responsible for the development of facial hair in women. Drinking spearmint tea regularly can help reduce the growth of facial hair by targeting the root cause of the problem, excessive androgens in the body. To make spearmint tea, simply steep a few fresh or dried spearmint leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink 1 or 2 cups of this herbal tea each day, and over time, you may notice a decrease in facial hair growth. While this remedy is internal, it is still highly effective for women who are seeking to regulate their hormones naturally and reduce unwanted hair. Using aloe vera is another popular way to reduce facial hair naturally. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and healing properties, making it a staple in many skincare routines. In addition to its calming effects on the skin, aloe vera has been shown to slow down hair growth when applied topically over time. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can weaken hair follicles, and with consistent use, it may help prevent the hair from growing back as quickly or as thickly. To use aloe vera for facial hair removal, you need to apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the area with unwanted hair. Gently massage the gel into your skin and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Aloe vera is known for its moisturizing properties, so it will also hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling smooth and soft. After the 20 minutes have passed, wash your face with lukewarm water. For best results, repeat this process daily, and over time, you may notice a reduction in hair growth. Aloe vera is a natural and safe option that can help you achieve smooth, hair-free skin without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. Finally, papaya paste is another effective natural remedy for facial hair removal. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which is known for its ability to break down the protein in hair follicles, preventing hair from growing back too quickly. This makes it a natural option for those looking to reduce unwanted facial hair. To make a papaya paste, simply mash a ripe papaya and apply it to the areas of your face where you want to reduce hair growth. Massage the paste into your skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. The papaya paste will not only help reduce facial hair, but also nourish and exfoliate the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. For maximum effectiveness, use the papaya paste on a regular basis. As with the other natural remedies, consistency is essential for seeing results. Over time, the papain in the papaya will help weaken the hair follicles, resulting in a reduction in hair growth. These natural remedies offer an effective, budget-friendly way to reduce and manage facial hair. Each one works in a different way, targeting the hair growth process either by exfoliating, moisturizing, or affecting hormonal balance. The key to success with any of these treatments is consistency. While results may take time to appear, natural remedies are a great option for those looking for gentler, more holistic approaches to facial hair removal. By incorporating these remedies into your skincare routine and remaining patient, you can achieve smoother, hair-free skin naturally. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.